First we need a transformer. One diode. Two plus minus clip. Some cable. And your car or motorcycle battery. First we set our transformer and join AC connection. Now join diode plus position. Now join battery plus position by plus clip, and join minus position by plus minus clip, and charge your battery, car or motorcycle. Charge your battery at home and save your money. Please subscribe us for more video. Thank you for staying with us.